Welcome to our channel. We will talk about car accident lawyers or car accident attorneys. Today our video's topic is Tampa car accident lawyer. So we are going to Google and we will type here Tampa car city lawyers. First, as I told in my every video, first we have to check the Tampa population. Tampa city, it's wrong spellings. Tampa city population, it's population. So you can check they are less than Oklahoma City. There is half of the Oklahoma City, so there must be almost 2,000 of the lawyers. It's 39,000 people. It's a small city as compared to other ones. So here we have Tampa City 4 plus rated reviewed website. Where are we gonna get our best lawyers? So you are a family member is experiencing the repercussion of car accident injury. You may be overwhelmed. The trusted Tampa car accident lawyers, and this website is completely preserved. This should be preserved because they have almost explained everything for you. If you are going to hire a lawyer because you are injured in an accident and now you want a lawyer, so first you have to check, is this a trusted one person that you want to share your all information with? So here is a Dennis Hudson. I don't know what this name is. That's so difficult for me to pronounce. Let's say it Hernands. Okay, that's not so difficult. Dennis Hernands. So what's their locations? First of all, we will check Tampa and Lakeland. They have many places. You have to enter your email, your phone number and your message and send for help. You can do live chat with them. So what is personal injury attorney? Helps to people who have injured in an accident bring a claim against those whose negligence caused the accident, because if you are at fault then it's not their duty to get you all the revenue or payments, because if you are at your fault you have the one person who have to pay. That's why we will do everything in our power to help you get the compensation and justice you deserve, because they have their leverage over trial experiences to find for you and won't back down during negotiations or in court. Because if you are hiring a lawyer, then you must be 100% sure that he must go up not down in a negotiation in front of the judge, and he must have all the information you gave them. So this is some points we will I want to discuss with you people if you are hiring a lawyer. If you do like our and subscribe, Allah Hafiz.